If you're trading derivatives or contracts with margin, you're likely going to be switching in and out of your Bitcoin trading account and your USD trading account. And Phemex makes this whole process very simple. So you're going to go to the upper right hand corner of your screen, regardless of what page you're on. You're going to select Assets. From here, we're taken to our wallet balance page, and we see all of the current assets that Phemex supports. We're going to go ahead and select our contract trade accounts. We see that currently our Bitcoin trading wallet has $3.88 in it. If we are going to be trading any of the altcoins, any of the USD pairs, we're going to go ahead and select Fund USD Trade Account. If we're going to be trading Bitcoin with leverage, we're going to go ahead and select Fund BTC Trade Account. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and fund our Bitcoin trade account by selecting that. And now from here, we could type in either a portion or all. Very quickly, press confirm. And right now we have gone ahead and funded our Bitcoin trade account. And withdrawing is just as simple. We're going to go ahead and select withdraw to wallet. We're going to select all, confirm. And right now we have funded our wallet again.